In today's video, I will walk you through how to merge cases in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, move to the Salesforce platform, where the setup and configuration settings can be accessed from the top area of the screen. Once you are inside Salesforce, go to the top section and locate the gear icon used for setup and account configuration options. Select the gear icon to open the available menu options. After the menu appears on the screen, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the Setup page, where different tools and configuration settings can be managed inside the platform. Give the Setup page a moment to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. Once the Setup area becomes visible, move to the left side of the screen where the search bar is displayed. This search area allows you to locate setup tools and configuration pages more quickly. Inside the search field, type case. Salesforce will begin displaying matching setup options connected to the keyword you entered. Continue reviewing the search results shown underneath the search field. From the available results, locate the option labeled Case Merge and select it. Salesforce will then open the Case Merge configuration page where the merge settings for cases can be adjusted. After the Case Merge page loads, continue reviewing the available settings displayed on the screen. In this example, the next action is to select the Delete option available inside the configuration area. Once the Delete option has been selected, continue by changing the available settings shown on the page. Take a moment to review the visible options before continuing. After updating the setting, continue by selecting the option shown as 4 inside the configuration section. Confirm that the correct option is selected before saving the setup. Once the changes have been completed, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then begin processing the updated case merge configuration connected to the account settings. Wait a few moments while the platform saves the changes and refreshes the page if needed. During this process, Salesforce may take a short time to update the configuration depending on the account and system response time. After the save process finishes, review the updated page to confirm that the configuration changes were applied successfully. The updated setup will remain connected to the case merge configuration inside Salesforce. The process includes opening Setup from the gear icon, searching for case merge, opening the configuration page, selecting the Delete option, updating the available setting, choosing the required option, and saving the updated configuration inside Salesforce. Once the save process finishes and the updated settings appear successfully on the screen, the process for merging cases in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.